What is intentionality? An intentional act or state is one that is directed at objects and characterized by the objects at which it is directed. Intentionality in this sense is a feature not only of intentions, but of many other mental phenomena. Some philosophers take it to be the essence of mentality and consciousness. Think about how you would describe your intentions. You don't say what they look like or feel like or sound like, or what material they are made of. You say something like, I have an intention to paint my room. You say what your intention is an intention to do. This essential characteristic of your intention is its object, the event or state of affairs it is aimed at bringing about. Similarly, if you are asked to describe your wants, you would describe what you want. A new car, say, or world peace. The object of the want or desire, the thing or state of affairs that would satisfy it, seems essential to it. Beliefs and other propositional attitudes are also considered intentional. We describe our beliefs by giving the circumstances under which they are true. For example, we may say, Fred believes that San Francisco is the capital of California. Here, the object of the belief is the proposition that San Francisco is the capital of California. This proposition may be the object of the belief even if it is not true. It must be noted that the term intentional should not be confused with the term intentional, although they are related. Many of the concepts used to describe intentional phenomena are non-extensional, which is one meaning of intentional. For example, we may say, Oedipus intended to marry Jocasta, is a true description of an intention of Oedipus. If we substitute his mother for Jocasta, we change this truth into a falsehood.